Hello! I am Telmo.
And I'm Tula.
And we are the Little Cooks.
Today, we're going to show you how to prepare...
A piano with couscous.
What? No, Telmo.
Okay. A couscous with a piano.
No, we're going to make a tuna sandwich.
Tuna sandwich. Lucky brown! Then let's go fish a tuna. We'll ply the ocean's waves in search of a giant tuna to make our delicious tuna sandwich.
That's not necessary, Telmo. We can buy canned tuna in the supermarket.
What a shame. I really wanted to go fishing for tuna.
Right.
Well, no matter. Let's make a delicious tuna sandwich.
And for dessert, a mango and pineapple shake.
Great! Let's go to the jungle to look for mangoes and pineapples for the shake.
Telmo, we can also buy mangoes and pineapples in any supermarket.
Well, what's up with those supermarkets? Because of them, I'll never become an explorer.
Telmo.
What?
Let's go over the ingredients we need for the tuna sandwich and the mango and pineapple shake. Our young cooks are waiting for us.
All right.
Well, to make a tuna sandwich, we're going to need...
cheese!
Ketchup.
Tuna and oil.
Sliced bread.
Lemon juice.
Mayonnaise.
And for our delicious mango and pineapple shake...
Mango.
Pineapple and syrup. Yogurt.
And ice cubes.
Let's get to work.
To start, we'll take a bowl and place 8 pieces of cheese and 1 can of tuna.
Tuna, how about we sing the tuna song?
The tuna song?
Yes, it's very simple.
Telmo, there is no tuna song.
Of course there is. Tuna, tun, 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 tuna, tun, 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 tuna, tun, 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 tun.
Telmo, it's better if we go on with the recipe.
Okay.
And now, I'm going to mix it well. In the meantime, Telmo, you can add 3 tablespoons of ketchup.
All right.
And the juice of half of a lemon.
Okay.
Good, this is already done.
Now we just spread it on the bread.
That's right, we each take a slice of bread.
There go the 2 slices of bread.
Very good. We spread the top of the slice of bread with tuna, cheese, and ketchup.
All right. It's done. It's so good. This is so good.
Telmo, you're a glutton.
I know. What's left to do?
To place on top another slice of bread smeared with mayonnaise.
Here I go.
This is done.
Super! And now to make the mango and pineapple shake.
Yes.
We need the blender. Let's put a mango that has been peeled and cut by our grown-up and a sliced pineapple in syrup.
All right.
You have to be very careful because the blender is dangerous. Your grown-up has to know what you are doing at all times.
We need a yogurt.
I'll put it in. It looks like this is done. We have everything, right, Tula?
I think so. Oh no, we've forgotten the ice cubes.
Oh, I thought we were missing something.
Well, we have to get the ice cubes from the freezer.
I'll go.
All right. Telmo, be careful because they're very cold.
Of course. They're ice cubes.
We put in 6 ice cubes.
Oh, here we go. Oh, darn it, darn it.
While Telmo plays with these things, let's ask our grown-up to blend all of our ingredients. Grown-up, can you blend the fruit, please? And while our grown-up finishes our delicious shake, let's review the ingredients that we've used. Ingredients for the tuna sandwich for 2 people. 4 slices of bread, 8 little cheeses, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 can of tuna in oil, juice of half of a lemon, and mayonnaise. Ingredients for a mango and pineapple shake for 2 people. 1 really ripe mango, 1 slice of pineapple and syrup, 1 yogurt, and 6 ice cubes. Did you find them, Telmo?
No, I can't find them. It's as if they, disintegrated, disappeared. There's only some water left here. Maybe they've been kidnapped. Something or someone has seized our ice cubes.
Yeah.
I'm beginning to see it clearly, Tula. The water is a signal. They've wanted to leave a message.
Of course, your ice cubes have become water because of the heat. Ice cubes are made of frozen water, and when you place them in an environment with temperature above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, they melt and become water once again.
That's what everyone thinks. But it doesn't look good to me. I'm gonna keep looking just in case. Ice cubes. Ice cubes. Tula, this tuna sandwich is delicious.
Goodbye, my friends.